this is the DIY Magician, back for another adventure with spring snakes. Well, thank you for joining me. That's right, we're on another spring snake adventure. This time it's from a good friend of mine, David Ginn. I have a prop in here that I'm excited to show you. This one is a magic prop, so I'm not sure that I'm going to give you all the secrets, but I'll show you the prop as we remove it from the box, and we'll see how far I want to show you on this, but it's going to be fun either way. All right, so here we go. Very well packaged as usual, David. All right, let's see here. Get that cut there. All right. Okay. All sorts of good packaging here. In fact, is there anything in there? That's just packaging. Okay, I'm going to reuse that. Okay, so here is my information, and David is also very good about giving all sorts of literature with his boxes. And this one is Reading is Forever, a magic show with a message. And this is one of his flyers that he would send out to probably a school or a library. Probably this one's probably for a library. And they'd be able to put the date and the time and the place and the admission and all that. But this, he was very diligent about sending these out, and it worked very well for him. And then on the back, of course, he's got his list of items that you can buy. This is probably for a lecture that he did this. Okay, so here we go. I'm so excited. This is a beautiful dog silk. Okay, let me make sure I get this out of the box in good shape here. This is a very beautiful dog silk. In fact, whoops, you could say, I guess he would be kind of a hot dog. Look at that. A hot dog. A hot dog. Well, I told you it was a spring snake, and there it is. It's a hot dog, and it turns into a hot dog into a hot dog, or hot dogs. And there it is. Look at that. Isn't that cool? I'll tell you what, I'm not showing you how it's done, but you saw a magic trick right there. Okay, so that's pretty cool. And then also, David was also nice enough to send me this. This is Melvin the Mysterious. This is by David L. Roper, and this is a friend of David's, and it is an actual a novel for children, and it looks very much in the style that the kids like to read these days, where it has the writing, and then it'll have some cartoon drawings and this and that. And it says Melvin, or Mel, is a 12-year-old boy who lost his parents and now has to live with his grandma Pepper. When he starts to school, he gets in trouble. The school counselor tells him to write 2 or 3 pages a day in a journal for the next 30 days. Mel learns that his great-great-grandfather was a professional magician. He learns how to do several magic tricks and writes the secrets in his journal so he won't forget them. According to the local legend, the ancestor hid a treasure somewhere. That's right. When Mel learns that the bank is about to foreclose on Grandma's farm, he knows he has to find that treasure. Trouble is ahead, including trouble with a bully. But Melvin is triumphant. He finds the treasure and escapes a murderous scoundrel who has also been looking for the treasure. The story closes with a humorous magic show by Melvin the Mysterious, assisted by his redhead friend Zelma, a show featuring his big ears. That sounds pretty good to me. Melvin the Mysterious by David L. Roper. It includes 12 magic tricks. Very cool. This is something you can get from David Ginn. David Ginn Magic. Look up David Ginn Magic on the internet, and you'll find David Ginn's products and this and that. And there it is, my hot dog spring snake. What do you think of that, guys? I think it's pretty cool. Well, I'll tell you what. You know what? Thanks for coming along. I appreciate your time. If you enjoyed that, you may enjoy this as well. This is Spring Snake Pandemonium Volume 1.